Calibrate the battery on an HP notebook. Step 1. Perform a memory test. On your notebook, plug in the power adapter and then charge the battery to a full charge. Disconnect the power adapter from the notebook. Press and hold the power button for at least 5 seconds to turn off the computer. Then press the power button to turn it back on. Immediately press F2 repeatedly to launch Diagnostics UEFI. Select Component Tests. In the list of component tests, click Memory. Select Extensive Test. Select Loop until error to start the test. Let the test continue until the battery has completely died and the computer turns off. It may take several hours for the battery to completely discharge. Plug the power adapter back into the notebook and then charge the battery until the LED indicator turns from amber to white, indicating a full charge. Turn on the notebook and hover over the battery icon to view the battery charge percentage. It should show a 99% or 100% charge. Step 2. Perform a battery test. HP recommends having a charge capacity of 90% or lower before performing a battery test. Disconnect the power adapter from the notebook. Press and hold the power button for at least 5 seconds to turn off the computer. Turn on the computer and immediately press F2 repeatedly to launch Diagnostics UEFI. The HP PC Diagnostics menu is displayed. Select Component Tests. In the list of component tests, click Power. Select Battery. On the battery test page, click Run Once. The battery test begins. Wait while the battery check completes. When the testing is done, review the first line of the battery check page that displays the status or condition of the battery. If your battery passed, click Main Menu or click Battery Details for more information. Step 3. Calibrate the battery. From the battery check screen, after the battery has passed the test, click Calibrate Battery. On the battery calibration screen, click Start Calibration. For business notebooks, to run battery calibration, the Battery Health Manager setting in BIOS must be Let HP manage my battery charging. If your Battery Health Manager setting is different, click Continue to change the setting when prompted. If your power adapter is still connected, disconnect the power adapter and then click Continue to continue the process when prompted. HP PC Hardware Diagnostics discharges the battery and displays an estimated time to completion. After the calibration process is complete, reconnect the power adapter and turn on the computer at the times displayed on screen. Recharge the battery fully to finish recalibrating the battery. If you run the HP battery check before the battery charges fully, you might get a false battery failure result. Wait 2 hours before using the notebook. Your battery is now recalibrated.